Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of our HBC 200 watt. This is one of our most popular units. We get lots of great feedback from customers on it. It's our what we call our contractor-grade high bay. Comes in lots of different wattages. This is the 200. It also comes in a 150, 120, and 100 watt. It is our only white fixture. Comes standard with a frosted lens on it. It is a 100 to 277 volt driver multi-tap, so it switches depending on whatever you have. Comes with a 5-foot power cord. It has the dimming wires on it. Comes standard with an eye hook. You can also get it with a pendant bracket that also can be used as a straight surface mount bracket. We also have an adjustable surface mount bracket. There is also an optional motion sensor that connects to it, and you do need at least one remote control when you use it. So this is a great fixture. The other options that's available on it are different optics in case you're mounted up high and you want more light on the ground. So in follow-on videos I'll be doing the other wattages, but this is basically, it also comes with an instruction guide, but just a great all-around high bay for your applications. So if you have any questions, give one of our lighting specialists a call. They can recommend the right wattage for you and or do a lighting plan for you for your specific space. So have a great day.